Good afternoon everyone present here. I came back with fourth experiment. It is possible to pour gas. So let's do the experiment. First, take a small candle like a tea light or any candles, that choice is yours, at the bottom of the glass and light it. After lighting it, do you remember we did an experiment 3, the gas factory? In that, yesterday's carbon dioxide, which is filled with bottles, we need to take that and we need to just pour into this bowl. Remember that the water should not touch to the light of the candle. Do you observe, when I pour the carbon dioxide liquid, it's melting fast than the previous candle that was slow? Again I am repeating it as, when I pour the liquid, it's melting faster than the before candle, which we didn't pour the liquid and it melts very slow. So now just observe it slowly, that so wait for several seconds. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's good to know the carbon dioxide is heavier than the air. It flows to the bottom of the glass and the candle goes out because there is no more oxygen. Candle requires oxygen and it doesn't get any sufficient oxygen, so the carbon dioxide is released and it's getting melted. So let's observe what happens now. The candle goes out. It's good to know. So I can tell that it's possible to pour a gas. Yes, it's possible to pour a gas. So after observing it, let's see, still candle is there or not, or it's melted full. See, do you observe the candle is still there? But the question runs in your mind, how does it get off if still the candle is lit? Here you observe the carbon dioxide is heavier than the air and the oxygen is not taking place anymore. So it goes off fast, and the second point I noted is it's melting faster than, do you know, if we light out the normal candle, it's melt very slowly, but after adding the carbon dioxide water, which we completed the experiment 3 yesterday, it's really good to know it's melted fast. So I can tell my results that it's possible to pour a gas in candle. So please, if you have time, do at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.